do exactly in a correct way, first very important thing for you is to that is you must remember the sentence structure of all the tenses. This is very important, okay? Now coming back here to the exercise that I have given you yesterday. In this question I have change the following sentences into indirect speech. Now all these examples, children, that I have given you 4 examples, these all are examples of simple past tense, okay? That means जो reported speech है, that you can see the words written in within the inverted commas are called your reported speech, okay? And as I told you, the words written before the comma, they are called reported verb. So this is your reported speech. Now, first thing, if the reported verb is in past tense, then we do the changes in the reported speech. ठीक है? अगर रिपोर्टेड वर्ब सिंपल टेंस, सिंपल प्रेजेंट या सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस में होगा तो रिपोर्टेड स्पीच का टेंस चेंज नहीं होता, ओनली प्रोनाउंस आर चेंज्ड. ठीक है? बट यहाँ पे ये जो मैंने आपको एग्जाम्पल्स दिए हैं, ये चारों एग्जाम्पल रिपोर्टेड वर्ब पास्ट टेंस है इनमें, ओके? एंड अलोंग विद दिस द tense of the reported speech is also, it is in simple past tense. Now, what are the common mistakes that you are doing again and again? See. So, the correct answer of this will be, Arpita said that I is changed according to the subject of the reported verb. अर्पिता है इसलिए she यूज हुआ है. अगर यहाँ केशव होता तो यहाँ he होगा. ओके? अर्पिता said that she worked. नो जी, ये वर्कड है, ये कौन से फॉर्म में है बेटा? ये आपका सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब है. ठीक है? दैट इज, इट इज इन पास्ट टेंस. वी विल चेंज दिस वर्ब इनटू पास्ट परफेक्ट. एंड पास्ट परफेक्ट में बनाने के लिए व्हाट इज द रूल? दैट यू हैव टू एड HAD had plus third form of verb. So what is the third form of work? The third form of work is worked itself. So it will be that she had worked hard. Arpita said that she had worked hard. Coming to next one, Keshav said I went to Delhi. Went is in the past tense, that is second form of verb. This will be converted into past perfect. This is the rule, okay? जब भी past tense में reporting speech होगा, हम उसको change कर देंगे past perfect में. So इसका आंसर होगा indirect वाला. Keshav said that he had gone, okay? Had gone, went. See children, these are the base that I always tell you. Go, went and gone. ठीक है ना बेटा? So ये first form है. You know, this is the second form of verb and this is the third form of the verb. So you know that because it is went here, what is the base form of went? Go. And what is its third form? Gone. So that is why had तो लगेगा ही, because वो past perfect है. Past perfect है, so had is necessary. You have to add it. You have to write had gone. You cannot write he gone. Okay? He had gone to Delhi. Keshav said that he had gone to Delhi. Coming to next, Sahil said to me, I wrote a letter to my mother. Now whenever there is said to written in the reporting verb, you will change this said to into told, and then to will not come in the indirect speech. Sahil told me that I will change into he had wrote. What is the base form of wrote? Again you see, what is the base form of wrote? Base form yani first form write, wrote and written. Written is the third form. So we have to use third form in the past perfect. So it will be that he had written a letter to his mother. Okay. My is also a pronoun. It will change into third person pronoun. His. To his mother. Ria said, I did it yesterday. Ria said that she did. Again, what is the form of the base form of the did? Do. Do, did, done. So third form क्या हो गया? Done. So third form will be here plus had. That she had done it the day before. As I told you that yesterday will be written as the day before.